Managing telescope observation time can quickly become chaotic when multiple researchers need access to the same equipment. Manual scheduling often leads to conflicts, confusion, and inefficient use of valuable observation time. To address this problem, I developed Celestial Slots, a web-based telescope booking scheduler that helps organize observation time in a simple and visual way. The system displays available telescopes along with their time slots, allowing users to easily check availability. To make a reservation, the user enters their astro tag, selects the date, start time, duration, and the telescope they want to use. Once the booking is confirmed, the selected time slot appears directly in the scheduler grid, making it easy for everyone to see which telescopes are already reserved. This project was built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP, running on a XAMPP local server environment. Celestial Slots demonstrates how a simple web application can provide an effective solution for managing shared scientific resources like telescopes.